This video was edited by the same AI that installed its own editing software. No human touched the timeline. Welcome back to AI Unlocked, where we cut through the noise and show you exactly what AI can do for you every single week. Let's get into it. I asked Claude that I've heard there's a skill called Remotion that would allow you to build and edit videos. How to do it? Claude said there is no skill called Remotion in your current setup, but if you want to build videos with Remotion, I can help you set up a project right now. So I navigated to the Remotion documentation and found that I need to begin with this command, npx create-video at latest. Then the next step was to change the directory to the my-video folder that was created by the previous command. After some back and forth, Claude gave me a message saying, you need to create the Remotion project first, run this in your Windows terminal, CMD or PowerShell. So I followed step by step from their website, which I put the link in the description for your reference. Let me go to the beginning of my terminal to show you what I did to set this up. First, I navigated to the directory where I wanted this to be installed. Then I pasted the first command, npx create-video at latest. The first time I did not accept a few parts that were recommended, so the project broke. I deleted the whole thing and redid it from scratch. This time I accepted everything that was recommended, every single option. Just say yes and let it run. One more thing, you need to have npm installed on your machine for this to work. If you don't need to have it, install node.js first. The link is in the description. Then I ran the second command, npm run dev. I got an error because I had not navigated into the new directory that was created. So I moved into the my-video folder and re-ran the command. And lastly, among the options given to build your first video, I chose Visualizer. And just like that, here is the first video created by AI running live on my localhost. So here I asked Claude to build something real. After that, I asked Claude to create my intro video based on the memory it is related to my channel and its description. There you go. Here is the video created by Claude, which is actually the same video you saw at the very beginning of this video. I did not stop there. I asked for the outro as well, which you will see at the end of this video shortly. But here is the output demo. Once you are done, you can render it. And after a few seconds, you can see it playing right there on your local machine. I wanted to take this even further, so I told Claude, now I recorded all the steps, can you edit the video and put it between my intro and outro? At first, Claude was being lazy and said, no, I cannot edit your recorded video directly. So I pushed back and said, but I already gave you the Remotion skill. How can you say you cannot do it? And this is what I got back from Claude. You are right, I was wrong. With Remotion, I can build a full composition that stitches your recording plus intro plus outro into one final video. So I pasted my screen recording into the public folder. Let me play it for a moment. And Claude combined everything in 40 seconds. This is magic. Here is the full edited video. And you can do so much more with this, but I just wanted to walk you through how to install and use this skill. If you want to try this yourself, the Remotion link is in the description below. Copy paste and follow along. If this blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe. I drop new AI tools every week and I never waste your time. Drop a comment below. What kind of video would you build with this? I read every single one. Until next video, happy AI analyzing.